Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you how you can use PancakeSwap. For most of you who don't know what PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange, more like a marketplace where you can buy and sell crypto directly with one another. The reason why a lot of people use a decentralized exchange is because they are in control of their private keys when they use a decentralized wallet connected to a decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap. And also, using a decentralized exchange means that you don't have to use KYC. You have total control of your privacy when using PancakeSwap, unlike using Binance. Now, Binance is a centralized exchange. When using Binance, you are not in total control of your private keys, and Binance could easily censor your account because they control your account, they control your wallet. Now, this is exactly why PancakeSwap was created, for you to gain total control of your crypto, because that is the beauty of crypto. Crypto is meant to be decentralized. It's meant to be for you, your own bank, in your own pocket. That's why a lot of people use PancakeSwap, so that they can buy and sell coins directly with one another without the interruption of a third party. So now you understand what PancakeSwap is. To use PancakeSwap, you would have to own a decentralized wallet. If you are using your mobile phone, you can easily download Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is available on the App Store and Google Play. This is an easy way to get a decentralized wallet. But if you are using PC, you can use a Chrome extension called Binance Chain Wallet. Now, this is a decentralized Binance wallet, and you can add this extension to your Chrome browser. Now, let's go ahead and add this to Chrome. Add extension. Now, once you've successfully added the Binance Chain Wallet to your Chrome, then you can start using PancakeSwap. When you look at this PancakeSwap, there are lots of things here that you need to understand. If you want to trade, you can simply click on this and you just go to the exchange. When you want to buy and sell, this is how your exchange is going to look like. I'm going to come back to this and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. And also, on PancakeSwap, there is a better way to make passive income, and that is through farming. Now, when you click on these farms right here, this right here is a beautiful interface to enable you to make passive income over time. Farming could be a little bit complicated, but I am going to break everything down to you. I will do a detailed video on how to farm using PancakeSwap. If this video reaches 2,000 likes, I will do a well-detailed video on how you can farm using PancakeSwap, how you can make passive income using PancakeSwap. If you scroll down, you see there are lots of farms. If you're a doctor, if you're an engineer, if you're an accountant, if you're a lawyer, just forget all about that, because when I show you how to use this farm on PancakeSwap, I'm telling you, you would love to be a farmer. Not just any farmer, you would love to be a digital farmer. This is where a lot of people make a lot of gains just farming every single day. With that said, let me show you how you can set up your Binance Chain Wallet and connect it to PancakeSwap. Let's go over to PancakeSwap. Like I said, this is the exchange. For you to start trading on the exchange, you would have to unlock your wallet first. If you are using your mobile phone, you would connect using Trust Wallet. But in this video, I'm using the Binance Chain Wallet Chrome extension. Click on it. If you look at the right side of the screen, now you would see the Binance Chain Wallet. Then you would have to click on I don't own a wallet. You would have to choose your preferred password for this Binance Chain Wallet. Now, this is very good in terms of security. Now, you would have to select your password and click continue. This is your Binance Chain Wallet. I skipped the part where you would have to copy your private seed phrase. This private seed phrase consists of 12 words. You would have to copy those words and store them where no one else can see it. And that is what you are going to use to access your account later on. You can write it down and store it somewhere. Just make sure no one else has access to them, because like I said, those seed phrases can access your wallet. There is one thing I need to tell you also. When using Binance Smart Chain, that means when using PancakeSwap to buy and sell, you would need Binance Native Coin, that is BNB. BNB is what you are going to use to exchange for other tokens. When you do that, you would also need to pay fees, and fees would be deducted from the existing BNB in your wallet. So when you have BNB, you can buy any coin on PancakeSwap. Now, this is BNB, Binance Chain Native Token. You would have to click on it. Click on this receive, because we want to send BNB to this our decentralized wallet. You would have to click on receive. When you click on receive, you would have to copy the address right here. Now, when you've copied your receive address, you would then have to go to your Binance wallet to send your BNB. Now, let's go to the Binance wallet. Click on wallet. Now we would have to select the coin which we want to withdraw, that is BNB. Select BNB right there. Pay attention right now, because when you are sending your BNB from your Binance wallet to the Binance Smart Chain wallet, you would have to select the network at which you want to transfer. Since we are using BSC, Binance Smart Chain BEP20, you would have to click on this. If you notice right now, the withdrawal for BEP2 is disabled because of Binance system maintenance and all. So you would have to click on this Binance Smart Chain. Now this message would appear. Understand? Have you confirmed that the platform or application you are withdrawing to supports the BSC network? Now I would click on yes, I have confirmed with them directly that they support the BSC network, because we are using PancakeSwap and PancakeSwap fully supports the BSC network, that is the Binance Smart Chain. So I would click on next right now. This is another question reminding you that if you withdraw your assets to another network that doesn't support Binance Smart Chain, you could lose your money. Now this is to confirm that you fully understand what you are doing. Research on BSC and understand what Binance Smart Chain is, and also understand what the Ethereum network is, because there are two different networks. BSC is different from the Ethereum network. I would have to click on this second one to show that I understand what they are saying. Now this is the next question that says, are you familiar with the Binance Smart Chain network? Now since I am an experienced user, I would have to click on this. But if you want to learn more, you can also learn more right here. I would suggest you learn all this before rushing into anything. Understand? So you'd have to click on submit. I understand. Don't forget to also put in your address. Earlier on, we copied the receiver's address in the decentralized wallet. We copy this address right here. You would have to paste this right here. This is the receiver's address. Now you would have to click on max. After that, click on submit. Pay attention that there is a transaction fee of 0.0005 BNB. So click on submit. Now when I click on submit, I would have to confirm that I am sending this amount to another address, which is my Binance Smart Chain wallet. Click on submit. The withdrawal request has been submitted. You can also confirm your withdrawal by going to your history, your withdrawal history. You can click on this. When you look right here, you will notice that it is being processed right now. So now we would have to go back to our Binance Smart Chain wallet. You would receive it right here on your Binance Smart Chain wallet. Now let's wait a little while for the transaction to process. Right now, as you can see, BNB is present in my wallet. Now you can click on this. Now this is the transaction history, the date and the time. Now we've successfully gotten BNB in our Binance Smart Chain wallet. Now it's time to trade on PancakeSwap. I can go ahead right now and unlock. I would select Binance Chain wallet right here. Pay attention to this. Now I would have to click on connect. What this means is that I am connecting my Binance Chain wallet to PancakeSwap Exchange. Now I would click on connect. Now if you scroll up, you would see that my address is right there at the top. Now this means that I have successfully connected my wallet to PancakeSwap. If you scroll down, you will see my available balance right there. Now let's say I want to exchange my BNB for any other coin in PancakeSwap. I would have to click on select currency. There are different coins to search for. You can either search or you can scroll down and search for any coin that you would like to buy. Let's say I want to buy Atom. I would have to click on max. You can select any amount you would like to exchange, or I can slim it down. Let's say I want to make it 4. As you can see, I can select any amount I would like to exchange for any other coin. If I make this transaction, I'll get exactly this amount. But there is one thing I want to show you right now, because if you want to get a newly created coin, how would you get them? And I would tell you that you would get them using PancakeSwap. The way I get those coins, I would have to use CoinMarketCap. Now this is CoinMarketCap. You can scroll down and select BSC Echo right here. Now what this means is BSC, Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. Now when you click on this, CoinMarketCap would filter out the coins that are on Binance Smart Chain. When you scroll down, you would see these are the coins available on Binance Smart Chain. As you can see, you can scroll down to whatever. There are some that you've not even heard before, but they are on Binance Smart Chain. Now let's select one now. Right here, now let's select this CheeseSwap. You can click on it. Now this is CheeseSwap. As you can see, when you scroll down, it has the Binance Smart Chain logo right here. Now this shows that it is a Binance Smart Chain coin. And also you will see tags here showing you that it is Binance Smart Chain coin. Now let me show you something. When you go to PancakeSwap and search for this coin, you'd have to search for this abbreviation right here, CHS. When you search for CHS, you will notice that you can't find the coin. Understand? As you can see, I just searched for CHS, which is the token ticker for CheeseSwap. Now I am going to show you exactly how to add this coin on PancakeSwap. Now let's go back to CoinMarketCap. Pay attention to this contract right here. Now you would have to copy this contract address. You can click on copy right here. When you click on copy right here, you would have to paste this contract address in PancakeSwap. We've pasted the contract address, and as you can see, the token name is right here. Now this is your CheeseSwap. Now we would go ahead and add this token right now. Now I have successfully added CheeseSwap to my PancakeSwap. Click on this. Now when I click on this, as you can see, if I choose to exchange this amount of BNB, I would get this amount of CHS. Understand? Now for me to continue, I would have to click on swap. Now when you click on swap, you can scroll down. If you look closely, this would be the fee. The fee is very small. When using Binance Smart Chain, you don't have to worry about high fees because Binance Smart Chain always requires low fees, very low fees to execute on these decentralized exchanges. You can click on confirm swap. When I click on confirm swap, I would have to confirm this transaction in my Binance Chain wallet. As you can see, I would have to click on confirm because I'm making this transaction. Close this. As you can see, it shows clearly that my transaction has been successful. Right there, the available balance right there of CHS is 59.6291. Now, this is what we've bought right now from PancakeSwap. You can also confirm if this CHS is available in your Binance Smart Chain wallet by going to your wallet directly. Now, this is our Binance Smart Chain wallet. Now, we'd have to scroll down, click on the plus sign down here. You click on it. Now when you click on it, you can select this so that it will show in your wallet. When you select this and you go back, you see that CHS right here is available in your wallet. And also, let's say you want to trade it back at a higher price. If you want to do that, you would have to go back to PancakeSwap, swap this. Understand? As you can see, when I click on this arrow down here, it swapped, and I can click on max. When I click on max, it will show that I want to sell this amount of CHS, and this is the amount I would get in BNB. Approve the CHS, click on confirm, click on swap right here. Scroll down, confirm swap, and confirm your transaction. As you can see, my transaction has completed. Now you know how to buy and sell using PancakeSwap. I truly hope you've learned a lot from this video. If this video gets to 2,000 likes, I will do a detailed video on how you can farm using PancakeSwap, how you can make passive income farming using PancakeSwap. And if you have any further questions, you can send me a message on Twitter at @TheCryptonite, as you can see, and I would gladly answer to all your questions. Now, this is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.